Everyone, today we are going to discuss about a check. According to Section 6 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, a bill of exchange drawn on a specific banker and not expressed to be payable otherwise than on demand. It has two characteristics. It is drawn on a banker and is payable only on demand. Alterations in check. A check is a document which cannot be changed often. Example: changing amount, altering the date, or modifying the payee name. The consequence of the following are: check sometimes become void, bank may refuse to payment, potential legal action for fraud. So we must always ensure accuracy while entering a check and presenting it for the payment. We should not also accept checks which have such following alterations. According to the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, Section 123 to 131 deals with the provisions concerning the crossing of checks. A crossing of check denotes a drawing two parallel transverse lines between the lines of check with or without the additional words such as and co or account payee are not negotiable. What is the purpose of crossing of a check? The crossing of a check is mainly done for the purpose of minimizing the risk for the paying bank along with the receiver of the check. Crossing generally gives the procedure for payment of such checks. Sometimes checks may be issued with a cross to denote that check must be done payment through only through the bank. The receiver of the amount will be mentioned in the crossing of check. The crossing of check can be done by the following: the holder of the check, the banker. There are two types of crossing of check. One is general crossing, another special crossing. According to section 123, general crossing denotes two parallel lines are marked across the check face. If the check has abbreviation of NCO between the two parallel lines, if the check is written with not negotiable, and the check comes with the words such as account payee, such checks are called general crossing. Special crossing: for a check to be deemed to have been crossed by the banker's name had to be mentioned across the face of the check. In such special crossing, a payee name is denoted between the parallel lines. Section 124 of the Negotiable Instrument Act deals with such special crossing.
Now, check endorsement. It means signing on back of the check. It authorizes transfer of ownership, facilitates payment to third party, transforms payee to endorsee. It all happens when the check is signed. Next one, types of endorsement. There are four types: blank, special, restrictive, and sans recourse. Blank endorsement means signature makes the check bearer instrument. Here signature is mandatory term. Special endorsement, it specifies the party's name. And restrictive endorsement limits the future negotiations. And sans recourse endorsement, it disclaims the future liability without recourse. Now, legal ramification of alteration and improper endorsement. If the following are followed, then checks will become void. First, material alteration, forged endorsement, improper endorsement, potential fraud, invalid payment, payment delays. So if the following steps are followed, then checks will be cancelled. So it is necessary to follow the correct procedure for filling the checks. Now, how to handle checks safely. There are four steps to handle the checks. First one, write clearly. Second one, verify the details by double checking. Third one, cross the check. It helps to increase the security and traceability. Third one, keep record. Maintain proper record for future consequences.